Scorpio, welcome to the channel. This is Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. I rebuke all evil in the mighty name of Jesus. I ask at this time, Scorpio, that if you have not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, and if you like or resonate with this by the end of it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also, guys, I am giving exclusive readings. They're going to be personalized video recordings, and it's going to focus on just you and your person of interest. So yes, you get to hear my voice, and I'm going to siphon through the energy and help you guys understand what's going on with you and someone you are interested in. So if you are wanting to get a video recording like this to find out what's going on in your love life, more specifically, I do recommend getting the personal, and the link for that is down below. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get into what is going on here in love for you, August 16th to the 31st. We're going to look at how you both feel about each other and how you both see each other, okay? Also, before I get started, I did channel some music since the month is August, and we are focusing on words, language, scribe. It is back to school time, so a lot of that type of energy is present at this time. So the song that I specifically channeled for the sign of Scorpio is Can We Talk by Tevin Campbell. And the song goes, can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. So that specific part of the song is what is standing out to me, and that is like the bridge of the song or something. And what this seems like is that you or someone that you're interested in wants to get to know you better. It can be that you, Scorpio, want to get to know someone better, or someone is trying to get to know you better. So what this brings up is an energy of a love interest for sure. Someone with a crush, a secret admirer, someone that has their eyes on someone that is interested in someone at this time. And it can be a male or a female. It can even be a female wanting to get to know a male better. But this gives me an energy of an admirer, someone that really likes somebody, someone that's really interested in getting to know someone better, okay? So let's see here. You and this love interest, how are you guys feeling toward the person you're interested in? I think that right now it may not be a good time. And right now it may not be a good time because it doesn't seem like you are wanting to get to know someone better, or you have a specific crush right now. It doesn't seem like this energy is coming from you. I see here that, and I say that because it seems like maybe you guys are overburdened with a lot of stuff right now. You have a lot of things on your plate, a lot of things on your schedule. You have so much going on that I don't think that right now you guys are thinking about dating anyone. I don't think that you're open to anything. I think that right now it's just too hard to slow down at this time. But you could be contemplating a lot of goals that you have that you want to reach, and private dates. I do see some private dates where it's just you and you, where you could be going out to eat alone. You could be going shopping alone. You could be going to the spas alone. You could be doing things by yourself because you really probably have so much going on that you need a minute to just have to yourself. You're probably around a lot of people at this time for some of you. Maybe you have been working overtime at work, but there is a lot of stuff going on, and I think that right now you just want that privacy. For some of you, you could be going on private dates, but I don't see you going on private dates with one consistent person. I kind of see different people for some Scorpios. For others of you, it could be with one consistent person, but this is very private, very one-on-one. Even shutting off phones, like just turning the phones off, like not wanting to be bothered, just wanting to have that straight up, like, this is what it is, this is what I'm doing, I don't want to do anything else type of energy. But yeah, toward the end of the month, I do see you getting back into a romantic mood, as your sign kind of gets stabilized in the sign of Virgo, because Virgo is the worker bee sign. They work, work, work. They're the bees of the zodiac. They literally work. And what they try to do is they try to take care of others. So your sign is going into that energy, which means that I think that you guys are going to be more people oriented or more service driven at this time. So you may be doing more for other people, or you could be thinking about other people with the things that you do, or the new ideas that you are coming up with may involve helping others. So I see that coming up for some of you. But overall, I think that you're just at this place where you're ready to escape the calamities of the world right now and enter into a more self-indulging mindset where you and all the things that simply feel good are aligned, okay? Like self-indulging tendencies are coming up. So if one of your little not pet peeves, but if one of your guilty pleasures is like ice cream, you could be eating way more right now. If one of your guilty pleasures is something connected to lust, that could be stronger now, okay? If whatever your guilty pleasure is, your habit, your bad habit, whatever it is, it's like this energy is bringing out a dark or shadow side to you, which is making you do the things that you probably shouldn't do. But that energy is coming up for you guys during this time as well. Overall, I think that you just simply want to get away from people's biased opinions of you, okay? Now, your person of interest and how they feel about you. This is someone who I see them being very smart right now, very, very calculated. Everything about this person is calculated. Everything is planned. This person is very, very intelligent. They are moving with prestige, skill, and high honor. This person is blazing through the world right now. They have a lot of pivot. Their pivot is strong. That's what I'm getting here. So this person is positive minded. They have a new attitude about things. They are seeing a brighter future. They're optimistic about everything. This person could be studying something new, learning something new. They could be just now entering college or some type of academic program where this person is getting a higher degree at this time. They could be getting certified to become a teacher or law school, or they could be in some type of like some type of program. I feel for some of you, you have a person that's becoming like they're adding another skill, picking up a trade. They could be going through some type of class, course, or certification program to become something bigger, or they could be getting something under their belt right now as in terms of career. So there is something like that going on, or possibly this person is just starting something new in a different area of their life, okay? They could be having sorry, this person could be having a I'm hearing having a man. That's crazy. So for some of you guys, you may be interested in a female, and this person is starting a new relationship right now. And this is your love interest, but they're starting a new relationship with someone right now. Could be with you, could be with someone else. Could be either way. And that's just, a few of you. That's what I'm getting. But overall, this person is focused on adapting to something that they have going on in their life, and they are sustaining their growth at this time, right? This person's developing strength right now, strength of character, soul strength, strength of heart. This person is becoming stronger as we speak. This person's on a new journey at this time, and I'm getting something about embellishments. So they could be creating something. This person could be a fashion designer. I'm getting that, a fashion designer, a model. They do something like model on social media, knitting, sewing, crafting, hobbies, interior design. I'm seeing that this is someone who works. They have a creative mind. Whoever this person is, they have a very creative mind. I'm getting luxury, jewelry, diamonds. This person could be like a jewelry connoisseur or a person who has their own brand or company doing this. I'm getting things like that for some reason. Or maybe this person has a lot of, if it's not these things I've already spoke about, then this is a person who just has a lot of ideas about different things. That's all that could be, which makes sense since we're in this Leo energy right now. All right, so how do you see this person? You see this person as giving, okay, for some of you, you see them as like prompting you to reach out to them, or they're trying to reach out to you or something like that. It's like they're either trying to call you in or they are calling you. All right, it can be either way. The numbers 2, 4, 6 or 24 could be relevant for you guys in some kind of way. It could be life path numbers, it could be birth dates, anything like that. But this is someone who may see you as a friend, and they may be reaching out or wanting to reach out. I feel like this is wanting to. I feel like they want to reach out or talk. They probably need to explain some things to you, or maybe this is you, Scorpio. Maybe you're wanting to reach out to them and talk to them. It seems like something urgent has come up. That's what it seems to be. Like you want to quickly talk to them, or they want to quickly talk to you. It seems like someone's trying to get the other person's attention here. And the way they see you, this person sees you. This is interesting because they feel like you need help. Okay, they feel like you need help, or that maybe they want you to help them. It could be either way. Maybe they need your help, or maybe they see you needing the help. But I strongly feel like it's going in the direction where they see you needing help. The numbers 1, 2, 3, or 12 could be relevant to this connection with this person in some kind of way. It can be, like I said, life path numbers or anything else when it comes to this connection overall. But this is someone who feels like you need help with something. They feel like you need to keep waiting to get that help that you're seeking. They see you in despair about something, at a loss about something, stressed out, depressed about something, or possibly lonely. There seems to be an unlucky outcome happening here for you, Scorpio. Something that you didn't expect, or maybe something that is not going in your favor. This person feels like you need guidance because you have no guidance about something, and they feel like you need to be rescued at this time in some type of situation. So that's how they're looking at you, like someone who needs help. Now, this help can be in so many different ways. It can be mental health that you need help with. It can be your emotional side of things, like maybe therapy. It can be physical, okay? Anything. It can be spiritual. It could be that you need God. Like, it could be anything, but this person's like, oh, this person needs some type of help. And you're looking at them like you feel like they want to talk to you, or maybe you want to talk to them. Maybe you want to go to them and ask them for help. That could be what's going on. Maybe you just really see this person as someone who could heal you, or change you, or teach you things, help you become better. You kind of look up to this person. You kind of aspire to be like this person, or maybe this person just holds a strong plays a strong role in your life because maybe you see them as a very strong individual, and there is an admiration for someone like this. Maybe you really need this person. Maybe this person always comforts you. They always know the right things to say to you. They're always kind of like counseling you, possibly. It can be like that for some of you. For others of you, this seems to be something urgent coming up, something more serious in your life, Scorpio. So that's what I'm getting here too. Like this person's like you're in a rush to tell them something, or you're in a rush to try to get this person's attention or to talk to them about something. That's what it seems. But this person feels like the help that you're seeking, this seems like you'll be waiting for this. It doesn't seem like it's coming in, or this situation is working out the way you planned. That's what I'm getting here. I'm not sure, you guys. This is really interesting. But yeah, that's all I'm getting. God first.